Hey teachers, welcome back. I'm here to share some more fun activities that help prevent your students from that summer slide. And today we're going to play with words in some super fun ways with word mapping and word chaining. The first activity you can do is called frog hop phoneme mapping. And the theme is frogs hopping across lily pads or sound boxes. So the materials you'll need are printed or cut out lily pad mats, toy frogs, or counters. The students will hop the frog for each sound, and then they can use magnet or tile letters to build the graphemes, and then they can write the word underneath. The next great activity is called paint chip word mapping. So you'll need some of the free paint chip cards from hardware stores, and usually get about 4 colors. Each color box becomes a sound box. Students can tap each box for a sound and then write the matching grapheme. You can use it for CBC, digraphs, or blends. The next activity is Lego sound builders. You can get some small Legos, dry erase marker, a dry erase board, or paper will do. The students build a tower with a block for each phoneme in a word. And then they map out each sound to its grapheme and they can write the entire word. For example, ship. We would put sh on one block, on the next, and p on top. And then you have 3 blocks and you can blend it ship. Our next great activity is called Beach Ball Sound Game. So you can write phonemes or graphemes on each panel of the beach ball, and you can toss it to a student, and they read the panel facing them, and they must say a word with that sound. And they can map it out using their whiteboards or their sound boxes. Another great activity is Slither and Spell, my favorite. This is snake mapping. So what you'll need is a snake template. Okay, the snake templates will have segmented bodies. Each body segment equals 1 sound. So you'll say the word, kids segment it, and they write the graphemes in the snake's body. Then underneath it, they can write the full word, or you can put it on the tail. It's totally up to you. Another great activity is word mapping scoot game. So you'll place word cards at stations around your room, and students scoot around the room. They can tap out the sounds, they can map the graphemes, and they can write the words on their recording sheet. Another one of my favorite, Phonics to photos. This is a great activity. You use real life images. You can take a picture of like a dog, a sun, a fish. You can cut them out of magazines, or you can take photos of them, and the students will name the picture. They can segment the word, map the phonemes and the graphemes, and they can even write and read the word. Another great activity is dice mapping game. So you'll take dice, word cards, and you can roll the dice to determine how many phonemes there are. Then you pick a matching word card and map it to the whiteboard. Another fun one, paint it and map it. So the materials you'll need are finger paint, a word list. Students finger paint the sounds of each word into their sound boxes, and then they write the word underneath it. If you have a heart word, they can even make a heart with their fingerprint. Super cute. This is great for struggling readers who really need that repetition in a fun format. For word chaining, you can do some really fun games or activities. You can do a build a chain relay game. You'll need word cards, whiteboard markers, and erasers. And here's how it works. You'll divide your students into teams. You'll start with a base word. One student writes the next word, only changing 1 sound. You pass it to the next team member, set a timer, and the longest accurate chain wins. Another fun word chaining activity is called word chain puzzles. You'll provide a starting and an ending word and challenge students to find the word chain in between. It can be done individually or as a group. These are some fun activities to help prevent your students from having a summer slide. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.